I am Lars, an actor. Friendly on the outside. Keep everyone at arm's length. Don't let people in anymore. I am Eric. I started from nothing. Look arrogant? Still you're waiting for someone who doesn't even see me.
The next day, they went to the TV studio to shoot again. Now that they were a couple, they were super affectionate. The theme that day was cooking. Eric got curious and asked Lars if he ever cooked at home, and then
Lars, do you usually cook?
No.
Ah, it hurts. What happened? Let me see. It's okay, it's just a little burn. Does it hurt? It doesn't hurt anymore.
This mission is finally completed.
What's week's mission? See you next week.
Let's go home quickly. I want to do exercise with you tonight. Is that okay?
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board.
Thank you for watching. Your support is what allows us to continue creating content. If you'd like to help, here are a few ways you can contribute. First, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. This directly helps our channel grow by letting YouTube know you enjoy our work. Second, you can make a one-time donation through Buy Me a Coffee to give us an extra boost. Third, consider joining our Patreon community. We offer both free and paid memberships, where you can unlock access to exclusive creative resources. As always, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to us.